The Xiaomi 15, yes, has arrived. Friends, well, and as much as we have tested, we noticed one thing. There are some good things and some things that aren't so good. There are also some things that are super duper impressive, which are not found in any other phone. There are 12 such things, but I am going to tell you all what makes me happy. Friends, let's start directly with the unboxing. This has been ordered from China. If it launches in India or not, we don't know. The Xiaomi 15's smaller sibling is about to come. It will launch like it has been happening for the past 23 years. The first phone was launched on the 29th at 8 p.m. and it was Xiaomi's Xiaomi 15C, Xiaomi 5050 Pro. Here it is. Let's open the black box with silver letters. Talking about the case, it's a good case, decent documentation, and this is the 90-watt charger. Trust me. The 14 Pro had a 20-watt charger. Now it's 90 watts. So there's a downgrade in the battery, but there's something very impressive about it that we'll talk about. I'm going to tell you about the USB Type-C charging cable. Let's keep this aside and look at the phone. You know what? I'm getting used to that round camera module. So it looks a bit nice. The camera module is big, but it feels really nice in hand. I like this design. This is definitely really premium looking. What would be its weight? Very curious. I mean, after holding it, I believe this phone has a 6100 mAh battery. If I talk about the thickness, the in-hand feel, it feels like it has a 5000 mAh battery, but it's 6100. So looking at the weight, it feels full inside. It seems like 200 to 209 grams, I think. Let's see, 231 grams. One interesting thing to tell, this phone is 10 grams, lighter compared to the Xiaomi 14, but the battery has increased by at least 11-12 metrimer. That is crazy. By the way, if I talk about the display, this is a micro-curved display, and I'm very happy. I mentioned in the previous unboxing as well that the current flagships coming out do not have a 3D curve, which significantly reduces unintended touches and such. This is the best of both worlds. It's flat budget, which means it's good for gaming as well. Also, the curve adds a premium feel, and just like the flagships we recently unboxed, the side bezels are nearly gone. You can hardly see them. Even the chin is absolutely very, very small, meaning a 94% screen to body ratio if I talk about the display. Friends, this is a 6.73-inch always TCL panel, while others here use different panels.